Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video for anyone that has an Android phone and that it's linked to a Google or a Gmail account. When you take pictures, one of the things a lot of people do is they tend to want to plug in their phones on their PC to download the pictures and so on. Unless you're on Windows 10 and you use the your phone experience, which lets you easily get the last 25 videos and pictures. There's something that a lot of people don't know, and it's actually implemented and kind of works, is Google Photos will automatically, most of the time, back up your pictures that you take. But how do you get access to your Google Photos app on a PC to get those pictures on your computer, for example? Well, it's very easy. When you open a browser page, so let's say that I use Google Chrome because it's the most popular browser. One of the things that you will see is when you're in your Gmail, you got to be logged into your Gmail account. On the upper right corner, you will see a little grid square, 9 little dots if you want. If you look here, these are the applications that Google has available. One of them is called Drive. If you go to Drive, you will actually have access to everything, including your pictures. So if you have pictures in here, you can actually go here and there's a little arrow here that you see. You can check it out. There's Google Drive tests. There's all sorts of things that will appear in here, including your pictures. You will also see the amount of storage that's available. So here, for example, I have 17 gigabytes available. I'm using 3.5. Of course, most of that is probably by pictures that I actually have. So it's available in here. Simply go to your different places in the OneDrive folder. If you click here, you will have Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and much more available. Google Forms, Drawing. You can, of course, import pictures. You can import documents. There's a lot of stuff in here that actually is available. And there's one here that says, here it's in French, sauvegarde, which is backup. This is backup. And you will see your phone. So here I see my phone, the SMG965W. There's also another one, the SMG930W8. These are the backups from my own phones. So if I click in here, I will be, of course, getting the different backups of my phone, which is also really cool because if you get a new phone, by registering with your Google account, you will actually have that backup available. And so this is simply where everything is available. So simply go, once again, to your browser. Make sure you're logged into the same Gmail account that you are on your phone. And on the upper right corner, you will see that there's a grid square. Click here and click Drive. Everything is in there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching our videos.